Hello, in this video you will be learning how to use the MakerBot method. Before you turn the printer on, you have to make sure it is plugged in. And after starting up the printer, you have to firstly make sure that there is the material. And if you have to unload the material, you can press unload for any of them. And you have to wait for it to heat up. Says that you can rewind the spool. You have to turn this until the whole thing comes out. And then once it is completely out, it is unloaded. To reload the material into the MakerBot, you have to firstly press material and then load and follow the instructions on the screen, which says to cut the material at an angle, and then you place the material onto the rack and you feed it into the material bay. And then once the MakerBot catches the material, it's gonna start pulling it in by itself. After the loading process is done, an extrusion process will start, and it will extrude the white material, and you hit confirm. And after it seems like it is done extruding, you can pull the material out, but be careful to not touch the extruder because it is very hot. And after you have done that, you can close the latch and hit next.
Hello, this is a CAD program called Onshape, and we can use it to make files so that we could print it using the MakerBot Cloud Print. I wanted to create a Pokeball to print, so I made it on Onshape, and I'm going to teach you how to take your prints and put them onto the software you needed for the method, which is the MakerBot Cloud Print. So what you want to do is right click your print, click export, change your file name to whatever. I'm going to name it Pokeball, and make sure that the format is STL. Then click export. Once you have exported your file, open your files and go to downloads. Right click, click new, and create a new folder. You want to move that file into that new folder, and then from there click import folder. Open your new folder that you made with the containing file, click upload, and wait for it to import. Now that it's imported, we want to click on our model and scale it so that we can see it. Now that we have scaled the model, we can click print preview, and we will be giving a time and the material that would be needed to create the print. And now that our print preview has finished, we can click on the three dots next to export and click export a MakerBot file. Once you have the MakerBot file, you can then use that and move it to USB.
Once you have the STL file saved onto your drive, put it into the USB port next to the power button, click print, click USB, then click your print. It's going to show you if you have enough material, which I do, and then you can click start. that your build plate is clean and clear before starting, then it's gonna heat up and start printing, and you can remove the USB once you get the notification.